In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate Facebook leads to Google Sheets. Unfortunately, since Facebook doesn't let you do this automatically by default, what we need to do is use a third-party automation tool. Don't worry though, it is completely free and very easy to set up. The first thing that I want you to do is click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Make platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page you are going to see. From here, you just want to simply head over to the left-hand side, which is where we'll find our navigation panel. And in here, you will find scenarios. Simply click on it. Now, on the scenarios page, it will ask you how you want to create your first scenario, and we can choose from two things. It's either the Open Scenario Builder, this is where we can create our scenario from scratch, or you either want to click on Browse Templates, and this will take you to the Public Templates page. In here, what you can actually do is select from one of the public templates, and these are already pre-built automations. Now we want to head over back into our scenarios, and in here, we want to create our scenario from scratch, so simply click on Open Scenario Builder. Now you will be greeted with a circle plus button sign, and to simply start, just simply click on the button, and then you will see on the right hand side a pop-up for all the applications and modules that we can add. Now the first module that we will add is Facebook, and we will use that as our trigger. And to simply add Facebook, you just want to simply go to the very bottom where you will find an option to search, and then just search for Facebook lead ads. Now what you want to do is you just want to simply go to the top bar, and which is where you'll find the Facebook lead ads, and at the very right hand side, be sure that you do click on the verified app. Now, the next thing that we want to do is on the leads section, we just want to simply click on watch leads. Now, this is a trigger that when a new lead is created, we can add it to wherever we want it to be. Now, the next thing that we want to do is we want to add a connection, and on the connection on the right hand side, you will see an option to add. Simply click on add, and you can name this however you want it to be for the connection name. But once you're done on the right hand side, just simply click on save, and this will open the Facebook tab wherein you can start logging into your Facebook account, and make sure to log it into Make with Facebook. Once the connection has been added, you will see its information right in here. The next thing that we want to do is under the page section, we just want to simply select our page. And on the limit, we can add a specific number of limits that we want. Let's just say 2 for now. And be sure that on the form section, we do actually add the form that we created. Now, the next thing that we want to do is on the bottom and the right hand side, simply click on Save. Now we have successfully added Facebook lead ads as our trigger. The next thing that we want to do is we want to add another module, and that will be Google Sheets. To do that, you just want to simply go to the right hand side of Facebook lead ads, where you will find a plus button to add another module. Simply click on it. Now the next thing that we will add is Google Sheets, and if you can't find Google Sheets, you want to simply go again into the search bar here below and search for Google Sheets. Now make sure that you do click on the verified Google Sheet app right in here. And what we want to do is we want to add a row. Now the next thing you want to do is on the connection tab, you want to simply add your Google account. And to do that, you want to go to the right hand side. Simply click on add. You can add a connection name, and on the bottom and the right hand side, just simply click on sign in with Google, and in here we can now authorize our Google account with Make. Now, if we head over to my Google Sheet, you will see that I have a header for timestamp, name, email, phone, or lead source. Now, you can copy the header in here or create a name that is similar to these ones. Now, you want to make sure to remember what your sheet name is, and now we can now head over back to Make. In here on the search method, it is better to search by path, and on the drive, you just want to simply choose the path on where the sheet is. Mine will be my drive, and if we go to the spreadsheet ID section, we want to simply click here to choose file. Now on here, you will automatically see your spreadsheet, so I just want to simply click on Facebook leads for mine. Now in here, you just want to add your sheet name. Mine will be sheet number 1. And as you can see in here, we can now map the Facebook form fields into Google Sheet columns. For the timestamp, you just want to simply click on the blank section. And in here on the right hand side, you will see all of the fields that are available. On the timestamp, I just want to add the field created, so simply hold down date created and then just simply drag on the blank section. For the name, I just want to add the name field, full name, drag and drop. For the email, I want to do the same thing, drag and drop email. For the phone number, I just want to simply drag and drop phone number. And for the lead source, what I want to do is I just want to simply add the lead ID. Now, once that's done, you just want to simply go to the bottom and on the right hand side, simply click on Save. Now we have successfully added our Facebook lead ads as well as Google Sheets. And for us to test this, what you want to do is you just want to simply go to the bottom and the left hand side and then simply click on Run Once. Now, once you do click on Run Once, you will see that it will have a check mark for Facebook lead ads, but it won't have the same for Google Sheets. And the reason for that is it did not see a new lead. And for you to add a new lead, you want to go to the lead ads testing tool just for us to test or to add a new lead. So simply go to your page, make sure that it is added, and for the form, you want to make sure that you do add your form and the product should be a lead retrieval. Now just simply click on Create Lead. And once you do, we can now head over back to Make. And in here, let's just run this once again. And as you can see, it has successfully integrated or it has successfully sent the information into Google Sheets since both have a green check mark. If you now head over back to our Google Sheet, you will see that it has successfully automated and added our new lead. And that's about it. That's how to automate Facebook leads to Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.